guys, so we promised you that we were going to do our tablescape. So we are at Jenny's home and she has a lovely home and we want to start our table setting for fall/Thanksgiving. So this is going to be Jenny's Thanksgiving tablescape that we're doing. Now we've already laid our tablecloth down and the runner. This is a beautiful runner and it has a teal pumpkin with a little bit of glam going on. It has this gold trimming in it, which I think is fantastic. So what we're going to do is start to layer it with some of our chargers, and we also want to put placemats down. Now I must tell you that Jenny and I popped into the Dollar Tree and we found some things that we want to incorporate into this tablescape so that it is affordable for everyone that's watching. What do you think?
Oh, I think it's fantastic. We found some beautiful chargers for $1. We have our glasses. Here's our chargers. I don't know if you can see the details on the outside, but these are just stunning.
I have noticed these chargers are in Pier 1. Believe it or not, but the Dollar Tree had them and I was excited about that. I do have some at home. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. We used it on several occasions on our tablescape. So we want to get started by layering all of our placemats and then our chargers. So let's go ahead and add that. So we want to go ahead and lay our placemats out. Now, because Jenny has this gorgeous runner, we're not going to use a placemat because it's already there in place of a placemat. So we want to lay that out. And Jenny, you want to go ahead? You know that I love alternating the plates, and one of my favorite things to do, which I don't do it a lot, is tablescapes. Whatever table you have, I have 8, Jenny has 6, and so what you want to do is alternate. So because I have the green here, we're going to go ahead and place the white next to it. Where we are now, and you guys, if you've watched the other video, you can see that we created the centerpiece together. Well, Jenny did all the work. I just watched, and this is our finishing piece. How quick, easy, elegant this is.
Beautiful.
And I think it's fantastic. I don't even think we need this extra one. And the last touch that we will put on this tablescape is go ahead and fill in all our glasses with napkins. And you guys know that I always say I love placing the napkins in the center of my glass because it keeps the dust out, especially if you're setting your table ahead of time. It just gives the glass a cleaner finish, and it also adds to the look of your tablescape. So we're just going to fluff it out and just stick it right in the center. Jenny, what are you thinking so far?
I just am thinking how beautiful it is. It's just really special. We had bling and candles and pumpkins and beautiful flowers. I think that this is coming together very nicely.
I love your color choices. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you. Thank you. These are some of my favorite colors.
They're perfect. This teal color is perfect for fall and Christmas. So it just helps you to transition into Christmas with similar colors but different styles. So that's a fantastic idea. All right, now we're gonna just go ahead, light the candles, and then take a look at everything all together. Okay guys, so this is how everything turned out. What do you think, Jenny?
I think it's stunning, absolutely stunning. I would be honored to have any family or friend to my table.
I think so too. I totally agree with you. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining Jenny on this journey. I hope that you will give her a thumbs up for this fantastic tablescape and hit the subscribe button and follow her. She has a lot in store to share with you guys. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support for Jenny. Guys, you will see more of Jenny and I on our next DIY.